Okay. Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So in the earlier session, we were discussing about reports in Salesforce. Okay. And we are talking about report building tool. And different formats of reports in Salesforce. Reports. So what are the formats namely? Shashkant, can you name one after one? Okay, no problem. Tabular, summary, matrix, and joined. So these are the formats of reports we are having in Salesforce. Okay. So how to open reports? By clicking reports tab on the tab bar. So if the reports tab is not available here, you can go through by clicking plus symbol, and you can manually select reports. Let me proceed that one as. Okay. So this shows all the tabs in my Salesforce organization, and you can go here and click. Okay. So this is the example report we are working on, and let me customize this one. We have seen horizontal bar chart in the charts concept. Okay. Horizontal bar chart. So for that, we need to change format to summary, and we need some groupings and summarizations. Okay. So I already explained all these things. So you can check in the previous recordings. I'm taking few number or currency type fields from here by selecting this option for my summarization purpose. Okay. So I can able to summarize only number or currency type fields, not everything. Okay. So to add chart, only grouped values and summarized values will be available. So one side I can select grouped values, and on the other axis I can select only summarized values. So here you can see, if it is horizontal bar chart, on the y-axis I can able to select group value. So only one field we have grouped by. Okay. And these many types of summarizations we have taken. So this is how it looks like. Okay, these are extra features, and where you want to put this chart, above report or below report. Okay, medium, tiny, large. And no need to change these colors automatically, let it be default one. And if you want to add chart title, accounts type versus sum of employees. Employees count. Okay. So like that I have given the title. You can find this table under the, so this is the bar chart. As we have selected below report, so after details, okay, below the report details, you can able to see the chart. And like that you can format it. Go to edit. So like that you can create vertical bar chart. Okay. So there is no big difference between vertical and horizontal. Only bars are vertically arranged and horizontally placed like that. Okay. This is line chart. Line representation of the report. Okay. This is record count and the annual revenue. So for every value it is changing, you can observe here. You can take other values like this. So two lines you can observe in the preview. So one line represents sum of number of locations and another line is record count. Okay. We'll take this one, this to medium. This is pie chart. So the representation is 360 filled circle. Okay, 360 degrees. So here we have the legend. So we can place this legend position like this. This is the legend position, and you can make it bottom or on the chart. Okay. You can better you can practice all these things. So there is no much about to discuss on this. So these are the features in it. So when we will discuss about dashboard components, then we have to discuss all these charts. Okay, there we have much to discuss about all these things. So in the report charts, better practice yourself. Okay, so this is about summary format report and as well as charts. So let me go for matrix format. Okay. So I'm removing the chart, and here you can see two-way grouping allowed, as I said. Okay. I can group. So this is one-side grouping, row-wise grouping, and this is column-wise grouping. Let me take. We can group up to 4. We can group fields of 4 number of fields. In city, I can take any. Okay. Type already used. Account side. So this is column grouping. Account name. Okay. So now 4 fields are available for adding on chart. Okay, you can observe. Account name I can use on chart, or else shipping city I can use, or else type or account site. By clicking add chart, so on one axis I can take any one. Okay, I'm taking account name, and on the other side I can take annual revenue or okay, all summarized fields here from the list. And I can take any other grouping. Okay. So values. Already I have selected sum of annual revenue and y-axis. Okay. I will take another y-axis and on the right side of the chart. So on that I will show by selecting use second axis. I can change this value to another value. Okay. Number of employees, for example. Let me okay this one. So here you can see when I run this report. Okay. So on the left side, on y-axis we have details annual revenue, sum of annual revenue, and on the right side same y-axis we have sum of employees. Okay. So the bars are representing left side values. Okay. Whatever the bars we are having, these are representing left side y-axis values, as well as this line represents right side sum of employees details. Okay. So this matrix format report is helpful. Basically, in dashboards, okay, in the next concept we have dashboards, right? In the dashboard we have, sometimes we have maximum. We will use table representation, table component. Okay. There, in that table component, we can add maximum 4 columns in it. We can represent 4 columns data. So for that, the the 4 columns of data coming from a matrix bar chart. Okay, that too vertical bar chart you will take, vertical bar chart. Okay, and also if it is matrix, so more flexible. If it is matrix format report and vertical bar chart, so it will be very easy for you to take a table component and maximum 4 columns it allows for you. And out of these 4 columns, 2 are from grouped values and 2 are summarized fields. Okay, so that we will see. So coming to creation of joint report. Okay, this is about matrix report we have done, and you can observe here for any format report, either tabular format or summary format or matrix format. So fields filters, applying filters is only one. Okay. So now in the next format, that is joint format, this type of sections, okay, adding filters will be created for every block. Okay. That means block specific filters we will apply in the next format report. So let me change this to joint format. Okay, let me remove the chart and see the columns and titles. So already added 3 groupings here. I'm removing the groupings. Okay. So this one also removing. There is no grouping as of now, only columns and rows, tabular type. Okay. Now let me remove these fields as well by selecting Control, Selection, and okay, this is how we will remove account name. If it is left side selected, left side will be added. If it is in the middle, it will add right side. Left side I am releasing. Okay, on the left side it is gets added. Now let me summarize this field already done. This also summarize one. And I can do sorting like this. Sorting applied. For every format you can do like this, okay? And also, if you want to create new block beside this one, so this is accounts block one, right? That means accounts is the backend report type. So with the report type, the blocks will create. I'm taking again account name to create new block. Okay, another block gets created. You can do this type of, adding duplicate fields. So only on joint format report you can do, not on tabular, form, summary, matrix formats. Okay. So here you can observe block 1, block 2 created, accounts block 1, this is accounts block 2. So both are having same report type, accounts report type only, okay, not other one. And here you can observe, so this filters apply filter section is for accounts block 1 and this is for accounts block 2 section, okay. And this is having different filter and this is having different filters. Here I am selected all accounts and here I can able to see only my accounts in this one. So that's why it will fetch different records. Okay. So only few details on the block 2 and all details, all records on block 1. Okay. So that's why I have said, so joint format report means another small blocks of reports combinedly we can show on one report. Okay. So this is how. Sometimes you may have to calculate some percentages like win percentage, lost percentage. Okay, like that you need to calculate. So for that you will take one block with all details and another block for specifically win details and one more block for loss details specifically. Okay. So after that you will calculate by using cross block formula concept or formula concept. So this is cross block formula. Okay. In the formula you can see same fields from 2. Same fields, no difference in that. But when you select annual revenue sum, okay, divided by like that to calculate some percentages. Into 100. Okay, it gives some value for me. Sample class block formula. Okay. So it use the number type. The return type is number, and at all summary levels are grand summary level. You can choose. So this is the field that there is no grouping as of now. Let us group this one to view the formula values. Okay, here also you can drop or anywhere. So like that, by utilizing fields from both blocks, you can build cross-block formula. Okay, so with this we have discussed about cross-block formulas and joint reports. Okay, so you can add charts for it also. And so this field filter applicable for only block 2, as I said earlier. Okay, so this filter is only applicable for this one. Let me take annual revenue for this. What if I take same type of filter here as well? So there is no revenue values. On block 2, it will fetch 0 records. Okay, 0 records. If I remove this one, now also 0 records. Few records it is getting, not 0 records. Okay. And also some limitations with this joint report. Okay. You cannot directly export these details joint format. You cannot use export details on joint reports. Okay. Only printable view, print view available for you. Okay. Any queries so far? So regarding either summary, matrix, or joint format reports. open, Abhilash, Iskant?
Okay, at the moment. Once I go through this, I will be able to ask a few doubts.
Sorry?
Yeah, not at the moment.
Okay, fine. Okay, now we are moving to dashboards concept. Okay? So whenever you have doubts, we can discuss. There is nothing more to discuss on this reports as of now. Okay? So coming to dashboards. So dashboard is nothing but one, okay, pictorial representation of okay reports in one place. Okay, so we can represent all our reports in one place. So with some limitations is nothing but dashboard. Okay, and that too in the format of charts or other formats. So like maximum limitation is 20 reports we can represent. 20 different reports we can represent in one dashboard. Okay, and we have dashboard components. We will use dashboard components to represent our report data. Okay, so to make one report available for usage on dashboard, so it should have proper chart over it. Okay, all those reports should have charts, added charts. So for that we will create one report with summary or matrix or joint format, and so this should have one chart over it. Now this report is available for usage on dashboard. Okay, I know this report name. So how to create a dashboard? So this is the button, new dashboard button. From reports tab only we will create dashboards. But for accessing dashboards, we will click on dashboards tab. For creating dashboards, we will use new dashboard button. On reports tab. Okay. To access last opened dashboard or to search all dashboards in our org, we will use dashboards tab. Okay. So these are the components, dashboard. So this we call as dashboard builder tool. And on the left side, we have components as well as data sources. So using data source, we will choose either reports, as controls, visual force pages. Okay. So these are advanced concepts as of now. So we don't have any as controls built, and visual forces pages we have, but we are not using as of now. Okay. So maximum 99% we will use only reports to build dashboard. Okay. So these are the available reports. And I can search here. Okay, this is the report that we have just closed. I have selected report from source data sources section, and from the component I can use any component from here. Okay, it never mind what is the backend chart on the report. Okay, we have used pie chart there, but here we can take any component and we can configure these options. Okay, we can add title to it, we can show values for the bars. Okay, and we can sort the order small to large, large to small, like that. Okay, and we can take million values instead of billions representation, and we can take thousands, hundreds. Okay, value representation also we can change, and we can take donut chart. Okay, here also we can select. Display units auto, whole units, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions. Okay, as of now it is showing billions, so I'm taking thousands. Then that will be like that. If I take millions. Okay. Here auto means from the whatever the selected values. Okay, on the source report chart. So those will be automatically selected. If you want to take another one, you can choose. Whole units. And if you select this one, this checkbox, so you can able to know, so what is the format we have applied on the source report. Okay, so this is the chart we have added there. To customize your own chart, you need to uncheck this one. And this is how we will do the sorting. Label ascending, that means alphabetical order. label descending, reverse alphabetical order, value ascending based on the value. So here the value is annual revenue. Okay, that means small to large values. This is large to small values. Okay, and here access range. So make it automatic. That is enough. And here we have another option, that is drill down. So this is important concerning dashboard component. So whenever you are on the dashboard and click on particular area on the dashboard component, so what it should open. So when I click on dashboard component, okay. Okay, I will better explain this one using table component. Let me take table. So this is the table. Okay. Okay, let me take another one, another report which is having some records, so that will be better understandable. Let me quickly add. First report table. Okay. Why it is not getting added here? Can anyone read this out? Understanding the meaning and what is the reason? Abhilash, why it is showing error here?
Because the row should be limit.
Row should be limit.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, as I said earlier, so if you want to, make any report that should be available or applicable on dashboard component, so that report should be, having any format, chart over it. Okay. So coming here, this report cannot be used as a source for this component. If it is a summary or main report, it is a tabular report with a row limit. Okay. Specify the dashboard settings in the report. So here you can see this is a report. So that is of type tabular and having some row limit. Okay. So that is why this is giving error. That is correct one, what we have said. Okay. And what we have to do, change this to summary and add some grouping. So this is the grouping I'm doing. And taking annual revenue. Taking total for it. Okay. Adding chart. So now this report is, ready to be used on dashboards. Okay. Because one chart is added for this report. Okay, I'm closing this one now. Coming to our dashboard and reload this one. You should reload every time, okay, if you want to apply the changes. So as this is not yet saved, this dashboard, so all the whatever the updates are things we have done, all those updates erased. Okay, I'm increasing the width. And here taking tabular component and from the data source searching for the report. Okay, this is the report that we have updated just now. Okay, so now let me add some title for it. Accounts with annual revenue details. Okay, and here subtitle you can say. One we will use for title, and another one we will use to show the range. Okay, all time data, all time accounts, like that. So coming here, click on properties of the component, and you can customize the table. Okay, if there are maximum 4 rows, 4 columns here, and if there are any other columns added to the chart in the back end source report, so those will be available here. Okay, so as only one grouped value and one summarized value we have on the report. Okay, you can customize like this also. So here you can see only one grouped value, that is account name. Okay, that is available, and the values, summarized values, only one, that is annual revenue. Okay, if I take another grouping here, so this is also available for adding on the dashboard component. Okay, let me save this one. And this to this dashboard too. Okay. And this is the dashboard folders. Okay, let me save here only my personal dashboards. Okay, so now what I am explaining previously, I am explaining drilling option here. Component data, so drill down option. So here when the user click on the particular area on the component, so what should open. So if I choose source report, it will open source report in another tab or replacing the same tab. Record detail page, when I choose this option, so individual record, all these records will be account name, okay? Every record will be having some URL. It will itself convert as a URL, and when I click on that particular link, so it will open same record details page, okay, in another. And when I choose this one, other URL, I can give other URL. So wherever I click on the dashboard component that is on the table, so it will take me through the whatever the URL I am mentioning here, okay. So I am taking record detail page as of now and saving this dashboard by save and close, okay. It will come out of dashboard builder tool, and this is the dashboard, okay, that everyone in the organization can able to see. No one can see the editing part, but this is the visibility of the dashboard. And as I have taken drill down option to record detail page, so when I click on this record, it will open in the next tab like this, okay. Let me do another thing on the records. So users can able to open the records from the dashboard component. Let me do some sorting and other options as well. Here I can maximum how many values to be displayed. As of now it is showing all the details. So I am limiting this one to 10 records only. And what is the sorting? So values descending, only top 10 values will be displayed. And coming to component data drilling, so I am taking source report, okay. Instead of opening each and every record, so it will open the source report, okay. Wherever I click, it will open its report source. So this is the source report from which the dashboard component is built. Okay, and also you can show the total value below this one, and okay, let me take same report for building each and every component like this. Okay. Same report I am taking, and I can represent the same report in different forms. Okay, this is the benefit of dashboard components and source reports. And changing properties similar to one. So here also I can sort these values descending top to bottom, and maximum values top 10. Okay, and show values, show details and hover. By placing cursor, it will show the details. And also here, coming here, source report, card details, page, other URL. Let me do one thing. www.google.co.in. Okay, let us see what happens. And here I am taking total. This is how we can take total for title. Table 1, show total. Okay, and this is the option. Let me save and close this one. So wherever I click on this, it will open. URL Google. This is the URL, right? I have given. Do one thing. Copy here. Yes, it is working. So that is the not valid URL. Okay, go to horizontal bar chart. Here, just replace this one. Okay, this is the drill down option. Close this one and click on anywhere on the chart. Okay, it will open that URL. Whatever the URL you want, you can give that. So in real time, we will give other reports URL. Sometimes we will represent data from one report, and in the drill down, so we will put detailed report. Okay, for that we will create detailed report with another URL, and that URL we will give. Okay, in difficult situation. Okay, so that is about dashboards. So basically, two types of dashboards we have. One is static dashboard we call, and another one is dynamic dashboard. So whatever we have seen as of now is called as static dashboard. Okay, so we will see about dynamic dashboard tomorrow, same time. Okay, thanks to guys joining the session. So
Okay, sir. Thank you.
okay, have a nice time. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, Srinivas, bye.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.